You all know the story of Snow White, but it's time you knew the rest of the story. After the handsome prince awakened Snow White with a kiss, they got married and hired the Seven Dwarfs construction company to build them a cottage in the forest. Doc was the general contractor. His commercial insurance program was handled by the agents at EA Boniakowski Insurance Services. Doc called them to get his builder's risk, and they took the opportunity to review his commercial general liability and workers' compensation coverage, and reminded him to be sure to obtain certificates of insurance from all of their subcontractors. The Seven Dwarfs began to work on the cottage immediately. Grumpy started to clear the land. He knocked a tree into a neighbor's house and became even grumpier when he called his one-man agent to report the damage and was told, "I am sorry, you do not have that coverage." Within a few weeks, Happy finished the foundation. Sneezy worked feverishly to frame the cottage so that Bashful could start the roof. Sleepy, the HVAC contractor, worked on the heating system in the basement. In another part of the forest, the evil queen asked her mirror once again, "Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of them all?" Her mirror answered, "Snow White." She knew that Snow White was saved from her forever deep sleep and was having her cottage built in the forest. The evil queen sent her henchmen to destroy the cottage in the middle of the night. They noticed Sleepy was missing. Dopey remembered seeing Sleepy taking a nap in the basement. He must still be there. So the dwarves quickly removed the debris and found Sleepy under the rubble with many injuries. They called 911 to get him to the hospital quickly. Luckily, Doc had the EA Boniakowski agents working for him, so he did have the proper coverage. EAB helped the elves get a fast payment from their insurance company so they could start rebuilding the cottage. Sleepy was out of work for a few weeks with broken bones, but EAB agents helped with his workers' compensation claim and all of his bills were paid. Soon, the evil stepmother was arrested. The cottage was complete, and Snow White and the prince and the Seven Dwarfs will live happily ever after. Good news, and another fairy tale ending provided by the agents at EAB. Call us today to find out what the Seven Dwarfs already know. You don't have to give up personal service to get the coverage you need at the best price.